Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the trades that I am currently in and the targets we have for those trades and the next levels that I am interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these markets. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end because, like I said, I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So we have been making some really nice trades over the past few days within Bitcoin, and of course I have been giving you all the setups right here and then telling my team over on the Visionary Discord whether I'm entering into the trade or not. So we've actually had a really nice short position from this level right here. Why did we short this? Well, as price was rising into the GP and the 786 level, we were seeing bearish open interest and bearish CVD. So as we can see this price rise and coming into this previous high here, we can see that open interest is looking bearish and we can see CVD is looking bearish as well. So we can see that longs are taking profit and shorts are also opening, telling me that price is most likely going to pull back, and we took full advantage of this pullback towards the downside. As you can see here, letting everyone know on Twitter that within this trade we made over 484% in a profit. This was such a profitable trade for us, and of course I gave you the setup here and I also gave the setup to my team on that Visionary Discord literally as I entered into that trade. So make sure that you follow this channel because I do give you setups, and where from there we did see a rise towards the upside and then another pullback. There was no indication for me that this price action was going to happen, so I did not trade that price action, but we did actually enter into a really nice long position here because we saw the exact same setup that we saw here, just in the opposite direction. As price was coming down into the GP and the 786 level, we saw bullish open interest and bullish CVD, giving me the signal to enter into a long position. Okay, and we can see this very clearly on the open interest and the CVD. As price is coming down into that GP and 786 level, we can see that open interest is looking bullish, and we can also see CVD is looking bullish at that moment in time as well. So what did we expect? We expected that rise towards the upside, and as you can see within this long position we have already made over 225% in a profit. So this has been a very profitable trade for us here at BitTrading, and of course I gave that to my Visionary members on the Visionary Discord. And I actually also told you guys here that I was looking at this setup. I said to you on the Friday that if we're going to come into the GP and the 786 looking bullish, what am I going to do? I'm going to enter into a long because I am expecting $38,107 to be tapped. That is still a target for me, and I was telling you in the video on Friday that this is a possible setup that I'm looking for if we can see bullish open interest and bullish CVD coming into that GP and 786 level. Then what did I do? I told my team on the Visionary Discord when I entered into that trade, and as you can see we've made some really nice profits on this trade. Now we have closed the majority of this trade, but we still have a little bit left in the trade because I do still expect another push towards the upside to my final target at $38,107. And I've been telling you guys that I'm expecting $38,107 for quite a while now, and this is still a target I would like to see. Now once price comes up to this level, we have to reevaluate from there. Is price going to go higher or is price going to go lower? So what I mean is, by price going higher, is price looking bullish coming into $38,107? Because if it's looking bullish coming into that level, then I would more than happily expect higher prices for Bitcoin, okay? Maybe even $40,000. But if price is going to come up to $38,107 and look bearish, then what are we going to do? Well, we're going to look for a short position because we are going to be expecting that pullback, looking something like this. Now, if price comes into that level looking bearish, what am I going to do? I'm going to tell my team on that Visionary Discord if and when I enter into that trade. So make sure you gain access to that Visionary Discord. Link will be in the description. Click join Bit Trading here and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord. There will be a code somewhere on the screen which will give you 1 month free access. So make sure you take full advantage of that. And yeah, like I said, we made over 484% on this trade here, and on the long that we took, you can see over 225% in a profit. So this is a very, very profitable Discord, so you need to gain access to that. And like I said, we have 1 month free access. Yeah, like I said, if we're looking bearish coming into this level, I'm looking to short this. So what am I looking for at that level? Well, I would like to see some sort of sweep of liquidity. We can get a sweep of liquidity, that would be great, and give me that first indication that we're going to see that pullback or some sort of failed auction. We have that sweep of liquidity where we get a quick move above the previous high and then we get the pullback from there, or we have the failed auction where we spend a little bit of time above that level and then we get accepted back below it. And once we see either one of these signals, what can we do? Well, we can then come over to the open interest and the CVD and look if the open interest and the CVD is looking bearish at that price. If it is, then we can enter into the short position and expect lower prices. So that is my plan, okay? I would like to see a rise to $38,107, where from there, if we are looking bearish on the open interest and CVD, I will be entering into a short and looking to target these lows from down here. So that is my plan right now, just remaining long and chill, waiting for that target to be tapped. Once it is tapped, if it is tapped and we're looking bearish, I will enter into the short. If we're looking bullish coming into it, then I would expect higher prices and I will leave that long open with the remaining capital I have in it. So yeah, that is my plan for Bitcoin at this moment in time, long and chill. I hope this video has given you some solid insights into what I am doing and yeah, sort of my mindset behind actually trading. As you can see, I gave you this setup on the Friday. I was telling you what I was looking for. You know, if we're looking bullish at this GP and the 786, what am I going to do? I'm going to enter into a long position, and that's exactly what I did, making over 225% in a profit. So make sure you gain access to that Visionary Discord. Link will be in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bittrading here. Code will be somewhere on the screen, which will give you 1 month free access to that. So take advantage of that. But that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.